Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of WhatsApp. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to above here, you will write the name of WhatsApp and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.